Welcome to another episode here in the channel Argiris Trader. We are here to provide you with all the information that we can for the market right here, right now. Don't forget that we have a new, very nice ticket raffle that is running right now with BitUnix, and of course you can go directly inside and you can see what is going on from the link below. You can find the landing page, and of course you can join us inside BitUnix right here, right now. We are here in Dubai, so we are gonna also having a very nice maybe view tour from the BitUnix offices as well. Now let's go directly to the chart to see what is happening right there. As far as we can see, the Bitcoin price at this point and what we are watching right now is in a very critical support that can easily break towards the downside any moment. But before we are going to do this, we go directly here on the weekly chart to see what is going on. Right here we see the pressure, we see the pressure cooker at this point that is pushing towards the downside. So if this head and shoulder pattern here is going to break towards the downside, then this is not going to be nice. We are watching perfectly what is going on with this head and shoulder pattern, that if this is going to break, we have to think about the $92,000 Bitcoin price if this is going to break. So this is very critical support. I hope we are going to see a bounce from here. If we are going to see a bounce from here on the weekly chart, I repeat, then this thing is going to be great. Now what we should do at this point is of course to start with the CPR indicator that is holding right here on the last monthly CPR line. From the blue CPR line, it's not the negative CPR lines, they are down here at the 100,000. So if this thing is going to break towards the downside, this is not going to look great. The limits are coming up to these levels at the 110,000. So this is going to be very important if we are going to see a curvature at this side. Is pointing nice, but this thing is not reversing yet. We should see what is going on right now. So we are going the 12-hour chart, the 12-hour chart confirmation for what's the downside with a VWAP and negative actually stochastic RSI. However, the momentum wave is looking a little bit green. I think we're going to see further consolidation, so we can take more kind of confirmations for this beautiful Williams R that is about to reverse. Okay, it's about to reverse, it's pointing like it's gonna reverse. So the 109,300 is very important level. If this were gonna break this one, then we go for the next low. But however it's not gonna look great because we are gonna be in a broken support. So this is not nice in any way. Okay, this is not looking good. Many head and shoulder patterns, we see many head and shoulder patterns. One here, okay, this could easily break towards the downside. Everything is pointing to the downside if you're going to sit down and watch what is happening regarding the pattern trading. Because bad or good, we are in this symmetrical triangle. It has of course chances to break towards the downside or coming all the way up. Okay, so that's the positive thing in case this is going to reverse. For all of this thing, the ascending broadening wedge is about to break towards the downside. Is also a negative actually thing that we can see happening. Okay, this can easily break towards the downside, so it's not looking good. The EMA ribbon at this point, let's see what is going on right here on the daily chart. And yes, we start curving towards the downside. That's bad. Okay, so you have to see that after this flip happened, the last flip, the last negative flip on the daily chart, it was back here, then it was here, and now we have another one. So this is not looking great. Okay, this is not so nice. I think we're gonna be in a consolidation mode, and we will see a breakout up to 13th of October. Up to 13th of October, we are gonna know if this thing is going towards the upside or going to the downside. I would like to see a consolidation so we can see a better altcoin season coming at this point. So that's what I'm actually thinking, and this is a very important thing we should consider. Okay, so 100%. Let's focus on this thing, and of course we can see what is happening further to the USDT dominance. So the USDT dominance is about to break to the upside. Okay, that's very bad. I would like to see a confirmation towards the downside because looks like a consolidation. I want to see one more leg towards the downside, and maybe we can reach down here. If we're gonna reach down here, things are very important. If this thing is gonna break to the upside, things are not looking good. And to be honest, regarding the daily chart, I would take and I would extend this kind of structure here, okay, up to this upside, okay, so we can easily reach up here and then reverse towards the downside. We can easily do a very fast move. You can go all the way up and then reverse towards the downside, because here is a very big fair value gap. I would like to see this. I would like to see further confirmation, and I hope this thing can easily break towards the downside 3.7, so we can see maybe an altcoin season coming. That's the only freaking chance right now, guys. This is the only freaking chance in case this thing can go to the upside, okay? So we have to stay level ahead. We have to see what is happening. USDT dominance is something that combines everything together, and yes, it can easily work, so you can see what is going on for the market right now. So you should stay over this thing and analyze what is happening with your own standards. After you're gonna do this, then things are gonna go great, and I believe that this is a very, very, very important level. And if we're gonna go up there and then reverse, you see, like from the shorter time frames, that this is leading to a rising wedge. So that's good. That's good. We are reaching these levels. However, this is a kind of actually ascending burning wedge, or this inverted triangle that can easily go up and then go down again, break towards the downside. We will be happy if this thing is gonna break and then continue down here at this level. So that's very important, and this is the things that I would like to notice until today. So now regarding the XRP dominance, that's also a very important thing. I would like to see a kind of confirmation here, price reversal. And I'm noticing about XRP because this broke towards the upside, is holding at these levels. Very important thing. I would like to see a breakout finally, because we have done this once and it was very, very beautiful. Twice, and I think it's going to be also very beautiful, but this thing has to also break. That's a bullish trajectory, I would say, okay? So if this thing is going to break for the XRP dominance all the way up, then we are going to see very good prices for the XRP right now. This is going all the way up to the 16%, and from here to here was 38%. So this was like 6th of July. Let's go to the XRP USD price. So when it got this 38%, this was like a 90%. So that's insane. That's insane. And if we're gonna take another move, another leg towards the upside, then 30% is the easiest that I can see. 3.6 level, very important. So we can see a further price action towards the upper side if this thing is going to convert, and of course reverse from here. Very important level. We could have some space more to go all the way down here, but then I see a price reversal, because this was a very nice and bullish engulfing candle, reversing all the way up. And if we are going to see, like here on the 12-hour chart, let's see, yes, we go for another leg. If this thing is gonna touch down and then reverse, we are gonna be great. We are gonna be great. And then XRP can easily see prices towards the upper side. However, on the 2-week chart, we continue pressing towards the downside from this side. Yes, we had a breakout, that's good, but things aren't looking so great, because we have a red dot right here that is going all the way down, and then I don't want to see this kind of bearishness down here. Well, this thing has to reverse. It has to reverse. It has to reverse the next days. I like the fact that this start pretty much reversing, okay, and there we see a beautiful money flow that can easily reverse. So this is going to be up to 9th to 13th of October. So you have to be patient. You have to be patient. However, these levels are accumulation phase as far as I can see. Of course, with the stop losses down here, this is the level 2.69. Put the stop loss down there in case something happens. However, the things are looking great. Bitcoin is not looking crazy good, but XRP and the altcoin market, if the USD dominance is going to reverse, then things are going to go great. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another one here in the channel, Argiris Trader. Don't forget to like, subscribe, press the bell button for all the notifications so you get this very nice and fresh content we are sharing every time with you. See you guys. Bye bye.